today I have this 2013 Freightliner Cascadia. The problem that this Cascadia is having is that the AC is not working at all. For many of you it will be hard to know what's the problem, because it's really hard to know what's the problem with this when the AC doesn't work. But today I'm going to show you how to check when the AC compressor is bad. At least the electrical part of the air compressor, AC compressor. Because when the clutch is bad, you're gonna see the clutch completely destroyed. But in this case, the clutch looks okay, as you can see. It looks in a good condition. So that means then the clutch is fine, but internally, I don't know. So we're gonna check it out. For that, you're gonna need a tool like this, a Power Pro. It's very cheap right now, like $100. You can buy a newer one, but it's gonna be more expensive. All you gotta do is you wanna disconnect the plug. This plug you're gonna disconnect it, and then you're gonna measure the power. You're gonna measure the power on the two posts over here, the two lines. One has to have negative power, the other one has to have positive power. So let's check it out. Negative power is cool, positive power is cool. As you can see, positive, negative. That means that there is power. So there is a problem with the AC compressor somewhere. So that means that the clutch is bad. The clutch in here, it is not working well. That's the way you want to check when your AC compressor is not good. But if you have no power here and you have negative power here, the AC compressor is good. So just make sure to check that before you replace the AC compressor, because in many cases people tend to replace the AC compressor and that doesn't fix the problem. This is a quick guide on how to check it, but very important, the engine has to be running to check that, because if you turn off the engine and you try to check it like with the engine off, it won't send any power to the plug. That is very important. So don't get confused on that, because many people do it with the engine off and that doesn't work. With these modern engines, all the engines from 2005 and up, the engine has to be on in order to activate the AC compressor, because it's controlled by the computer. It is no longer controlled by a separate system. So that's pretty much all. This was just a quick guide on how to check the AC compressor, because the summer is coming and many of you will have wonders how to check it out. I think that to fix this problem, I mean, of course, to fix this problem you have to replace the AC compressor. But to be sure, you want to be completely sure, you want to take this plug over here and you want to apply positive and negative here to the clutch, and then you want to see that the clutch is not working. So that's pretty much all. If you have any questions about this engine, this process, you can use the comment section below. You can leave comments, questions, anything, and I'll try to answer them, or you can answer them as well. If you want to send support to my channel, you can check the video description below, where I have details how to send support to my channel, so I can continue making helping videos for everybody. So make sure to subscribe, remember that, very important. Like the video, and thank you for watching.